Are you looking for the best wood router in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wood router that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Bosch GKF1225C and Colt 1.25 HP variable speed palm router tool. Ergonomics can make all the difference when it comes to power tools. If comfort is a priority, this palm-size router from Bosch fits comfortably in hand and makes movement easier in comparison to using traditional routers. Although it might not be able to outcompete a larger router, its small frame still offers 16,000, 35,000 RPM, and buyers noted that changing out the bits is a piece of cake. This tool is straightforward, easy to use and control, and gets beautiful results, explained one reviewer. The router starts and stops very smoothly, which reduces the chance of accidentally nicking the piece you're working on. And it's very lightweight, not a clunker at all. Up next in the fourth place is the Makita RT0701C1-1 divided by 4 HP compact router. Another small but mighty option comes in the form of Makita's RT0701C model. The narrow body is easy to maneuver, and it's engineered to maintain a constant speed even when under pressure. Its depth can also be adjusted, and the drill bits and base can easily be swapped out. I have owned several routers over the years. This one is by far better built and designed better than most, wrote one reviewer. Most routers try to torque twist out of your hands. This one does not and is well balanced. Most of us do better work with tools that feel safe in our hands. This one does. The third product on our list is the Bosch 1617 12 2-1 divided by 4 horsepower plunge and fixed base variable speed router. Add-ons can make or break an experience, and in the case of Bosch's 1617 model wood router, it's worth spending a little more to get the extra bells and whistles. Instead of just a router, this kit comes with 2 collets, an edge guide, a dust extraction hood, and a vacuum hose adapter. The dust extraction setup itself is worth it alone to keep wood particles away from your eyes and lungs. As for the tool itself, this unit is smooth as silk, running half-inch bits and much stronger than my older, but similarly powered router, explained one reviewer. The fixed base went directly into my router table, and I'm using the Plunge base for tabletop and freehand work. Second on our list is the DEWALT router, fixed and plunge base kit. One of the most appreciated features of this router is its micro-fine depth adjustment and its ability to switch between a plunge and fixed base router. This model is slightly larger than the Max XR cordless version and doesn't need recharging thanks to its cord. The plunge base is good for making holes or cutting dados, while the fixed base is good for edging, wrote one owner. The router itself is very heavy and sturdy and feels very well made. DEWALT also sells this router in other sets, including one with a D-handle base and another with an edge guide. Finally, the top product on our list is the Avid Power 6.5 amp 1.25 HP compact router tools. In the market for a fixed-based router on a budget, this wood router from Avid Power covers all the bases for anyone working on smaller scale projects. It's small, easy to move around, and works great for things like trim. In addition, if there's ever a need for a more flexible plunge router, this model can be mounted onto a table for plunge-like cuts, and you can also contact the manufacturer for a plunge adapter. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.